Teeth grinding in kids. 2 out of 10 kids have habit of grinding teeth at night, and majority of these kids outgrown this habit as soon as their permanent teeth erupt. Firstly, let's understand that it's unknown subconscious habit that your child also don't know that they have this habit and doing it repeatedly. And there can be other causes also, like for example, emotional stress or anxiety your child might be having, that you also don't know, child also not understanding and grinding their teeth at night. Second is sleep disturbance. If your child is not sleeping properly, not having proper day naps, and not having night sleep properly, this habit can increase. Third, neurological abnormalities. Fourth, can be airway obstruction. Lastly, can be because of ear infection, teething, improper alignment of teeth, or can be genetics also. You should definitely meet with dentist or ENT to evaluate the cause and wait for part 2 to tell you what can be done. I hope it was helpful. Follow for more such content.